Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Pumps. This one's another bit of a how-to video. I had one full Bitcoin as well as Caspa, and last year I sold half a Bitcoin. Well, I traded it into Caspa, and I've decided to now just going to get rid of the other half and trade it into Caspa. Nervous times, it's a little bit of a comfort blanket having Bitcoin there, but I really believe in Caspa, and it's really gonna have a breakout now this month, I believe, the way it's looking. So I am going to move my zero point 0.5 of Bitcoin into Caspa, and I'm just going to go through how I'm going to do it in case you want to do it. There's a couple of options. Like I have it on Ledger, so I want to get it from Ledger. I can't swap it to Caspa on Ledger, so I'm going to move it to Uphold, swap it to Caspa, and then I'm going to move it to Tangem. That's my plan. I could move it all straight to Tangem and swap it for Caspa on Tangem, but I think it might be slightly cheaper to do it the Uphold way. I'm not 100% sure, but that's the way I'm going to do it. So we have here portfolio 33,000. So you can see it's just under zero point 0.5 of a Bitcoin. And you can see down here where are we? Back in October last year, I sent the other half of the Bitcoin when it was 12,000. So that's mad. Last year, half a Bitcoin was 12,000. Now it's worth 33,000. So it's a good profit on that. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to go into Uphold. So when you're up your whole, so I have this is my 2029 bag, and this is kind of a little bag for my daughter, and Cass. So I'm just gonna leave them for now. I'm just gonna move the Caspa into one of these, and then I'm gonna move it straight back out over the Tangem. That's the plan anyway. So select source. So I wanna select source is gonna be the Bitcoin network. I wanna send Bitcoin to this. So I want to show address. I understand. So I want to copy this. I want to go back to my ledger. And I'm going to send a little bit to start with. I'm not going to send the whole thing. I'm not going to be mental. I'm going to send a little bit to make sure it goes okay. Say 50 quid or something like that. So I haven't used this in a long time, so you have to excuse me now for a minute. Buy, swap. I want to send it. Okay, there we go. So send. And it's looking for a Bitcoin address, so that's what we have. I'm going to paste it in there for Uphold. Continue. It's asking for the amount of Bitcoin. I wonder, can I put that in as dollars instead? So $50 is this much. Okay, standard. So the quicker, if I put the higher transaction fee, it'll get there quicker. Medium is 6, that's 5. So we'll go with medium. Bitcoin, so you can see there it's 50 cents to send this. So I'm just going to hit continue. And I'm going to hit continue on that. Your device is locked. So this is my ledger. So I have to put the PIN number into my device here to unlock it. Let me just hit retry. So you have to confirm every time you want to send crypto on your device here, and every time you want to buy crypto. So nobody can use your ledger live or buy crypto without your Nano X here. That's why Tangem's a little bit better. It's a card, you can bring it with you, you get 3 of them. This seems a bit awkward to bring around with you. Sign transaction. Continue. So ask me to sign transaction. It says processing, broadcast transaction. So view details. So send. So I'm gonna go back into Uphold here, but it says 30 minutes. I say it's gonna be 30 minutes. So at the moment it is 10:04. I will probably edit the video. I'll come back to it when it has arrived and we can check it out. Hey guys, so you can see I just stopped the video because I was going to edit it, and because I thought it was going to take half an hour, but you can see it went in pretty quick. So I was surprised at that because last time I tried to move Bitcoin it took hours. So maybe it's because the network isn't very busy. So we have 4617 came in there. So now I am going to send the rest. This is the bit where I send the rest and I curl up in a ball and I rock myself and make sure and until it goes in okay, I panic. So I'm going to do it again. Select source. I'm going to go down to Bitcoin network. Show address. I understand. Copy the address. We're going to go back to the ledger. So we're going to send again. Paste in. Okay, it's the same as last time. So, okay, continue. Right, medium was pretty quick last time. We'll do the same. Send max. So $32,000. Panic stations. The cost is 178, so that's pretty good. Surprised at that. I thought it'd be more. I'm just gonna hit continue on this. Gives you a summary. 178 network fees. Continue. Now it's gonna ask me to verify on the Ledger cold wallet here. So I have to sign the transaction. It's just saying processing on my Ledger at the moment. Okay, review. Continue. Fees. Show me the fees. Sign transaction. Processing. That makes me nervous because it's saying loading. It didn't do that last time, but it's a lot more Bitcoin than before. So transaction sent. So okay, we'll go back in here. It's only 46.17 at the moment. Okay, hey guys, I just came back into the video here. So you can see that the Bitcoin is in there now, $33,158.45. So that's a nervous time, but at least on Uphold, when you deposit it, it tells you it's depositing, and it was doing that for like 40 to 50 minutes, and then it was in there. I've done it to, I think it was MEXC or Binance, and it doesn't tell you it's depositing, so it's good to see it there. Like I like that on Uphold. So next, I am going to change my BTC, my Bitcoin, to Caspa. So we're going to select the source, which is Bitcoin, and we're going to select destination, which is 2029 Caspa bag, I suppose. We'll do that one. So let's see, preview trade. Please enter desired amount. Yeah, we kind of have to put that in. Click on that. We're going to do max. So $32,000 one cat doesn't tell us the, let's see. Okay, 162,000 cash, 311 we're gonna get. So I'm going to preview trade. Settlement time instant, confirm trade. So I'm gonna hit confirm on that. So there's my Caspa bag now. It's up to 37,000. So that is a lot. So it's a lot for me anyway. So Caspa bag, if I go in that, can trade it. We can see exactly how much, because I want to move that exact amount over. I don't want to mess with the other 2029 bag. So 162,316.58802. So that's what I'm gonna move now to Tangem. So Tangem's on the phone. It's not available on desktop. So I have my phone connected here. So I want to go into Tangem. So I have the balances hidden. Obviously, you can set that in your Tangem. You can, in the app, you can tilt your phone and the balances will hide. If I go and tilt my phone, it'll show you the balances. So I don't need to show balance anyway to do this. So if I go into Caspa, I want to receive some Caspa. Click on receive. We want to copy this. Okay, that's copied. So now we want to go over here. We're going to send a little bit first. So select source. So the Kaspa bag and destination is we want the cryptocurrency to be Caspa. Let's just type it in. Caspa account, no. Cryptocurrencies, yeah. Network, yeah. So we want to use Caspa network. So it should ask us for our address. Please enter the desired amount. If we change this to Cas, yeah. We will go with 100 Cas. Yeah. I want to make sure it works again, so a little test. Preview trades, looking for your address, right click, paste, confirm withdrawal. Two-factor authentication, send me a text. 353563 353563. And that is Uphold sending it to Ledger. So we can go back to Tangem. Yeah, this is the problem, like, because I have my balance turned off. Yeah, so okay, that has to be it. 94. Yeah, 10 past 11. That's right. Okay. Okay, we want to receive some more. We want to receive the whole lot this time, so receive. Copy the address. Go back in here, select source. Caspa bag, select destination is going to be Caspa network. How much? You want to do the max this time? $182. Oh no, I don't want to do all that actually. That's totally wrong. Excuse me, because I don't want to send everything I had in there. I want to keep some for. So that'd be 162.216.58802. So I took the 100 off that we sent there earlier. So that should be that. Relationship of benefit from a friend, myself. Paste. Confirm. Two-factor authentication again. 840318. There you go. Successful. So, nervous couple of seconds now till we make sure it goes in to my Tangem. It'd be easier for me if I could just show the balance, but I don't want to show the balance, so we go back in here. What time is it? 11:14. And you can't miss that. It's going to be a load. So, you've sent. There you go there. 162,000 Caspa has gone into my Tangem. So, that's how you do that. So, basically, I found that simple enough. So I sent it from Ledger. We sent it to Uphold. We converted it in Uphold from Bitcoin to Caspa, and we sent it the Caspa from Uphold to our Ledger. Sorry, not our Ledger, our Tangem. So I have another Tangem upstairs, and I have a one key upstairs. So I'm gonna move half of it onto another Tangem or half of it onto a one key, just to keep them separated. And that's that video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and give me a subscribe. Um, if you like the how-to videos and if you like KRC20 news and Caspa updates, please, yeah, subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.